Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up super admins and regular admins, ensuring your organization's workflow and permissions are managed effectively. Now, let's get a preliminary knowledge of admins, which refer to those in Jodoo who have system management permissions besides the owner. It consists of two categories. One is super admin group, members in which have authority over all departments, members, and apps in a company or team. The other is admin group, where members can manage just some of them according to their granted permissions. You can set multiple super admins and set different admins in Jodoo to manage their respective apps and members. Let's see how to do it. First, go to Contacts, Admins, and we can see Super Admin Group and Admin Group here. Click the button here to select members you'd like to access and manage all apps and contacts so that they can set permissions for each other and regular admins according to different demands. To add admin group, we click this plus button, enter the name. Okay. Add admins to the group we just created. Then we can set the permission for the admin selected to edit, add, or delete the app. In Manage Scope, you can assign to an admin the permissions to manage departments or roles. Both of them include all and some. You still need to select departments or roles available to be managed if you select some. Otherwise, members cannot manage it. Then it comes to the contacts, which include internal department and internal roles. Here, if you enable View and Manage, members can add and delete departments. If you check the single view here, members can only view roles. When you tick Manage, the system will tick View automatically. Then the permission of Manage is the same with that of View and Manage. After setting these up, you can query permissions in admin groups according to the names of admin groups, members, and apps. For example, when you want to know how many admin groups that apps have, choose Filter App from the drop-down list, and then select an app. You could see admins and their app permissions on the right. So that's all about admins in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And let us know in the comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.